What's going on, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn $250 per day as a broke kid, a broke 17-year-old, a broke 16-year-old, or even as just a beginner online. Stay tuned.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so let's get right into the madness. Now, I'm going to get straight to the point with this one. If you guys are want to learn how to generate $250 days, first, let's state the obvious. We're going to have to sell something. Now, the two types of things that you guys can sell is either a product or a service, right? Now, I'm going to teach you guys a method of how you guys can sell somebody else's products. And when you sell somebody else's products, they're going to go ahead and pay you out commissions, right? Now, here's the thing. With affiliate marketing, right, the typical way that you can do affiliate marketing, and that's what I do, right? You simply get a product, right? The company owns the product. You become an affiliate. They give you a link. When you promote the link and somebody actually buys from your unique link, let's just say it's a $100 product. That $100 product gets split into pieces, right? 40% goes to you as a commission. The other 60% goes to the company for handling all the rest, right? The product fulfillment, the creation of the product, the employees that they have, and all that extra good stuff, right? Now, what is our job? Our job is to get that damn link. Once we get that link, we simply go ahead and get it in front of people with different traffic methods, and with those traffic methods, you go ahead and generate an income online. Now, with that being said, I want to break down a method that you guys can use, right? And it's called creating a niche-based YouTube account. Now, what it simply is what YouTube is a form of content marketing. And basically, what YouTube does is it allows you the freedom of speaking about whatever it is you like to do, right? Whatever your interests are. Now, within affiliate marketing, you simply find a niche, right? Now, within that niche, you simply can promote products within these affiliate networks. But what's pretty cool is if you create a YouTube channel, right? YouTube is a form of traffic. So as stated before, what are we trying to do? We get these links. Once we get these links, we're going to go ahead and redirect this traffic to these links, right? Now, if you notice, you've probably watched YouTube videos before, and at the end of the YouTube video, somebody's talking about a product, or they're doing a product review, or you've been asking about something or wondering whether you should purchase something or not. You might watch the video, and at the end of the video, they say, if you want a discount or a specific coupon or something of that nature, you can actually go below, and I'll hook you up with my coupon. Just use this code, right? What's going to happen is if you make that purchase from their link, they're going to go ahead and get paid a commission. So instead of being salty about these people leveraging YouTube, making money off of your purchases and everything of that nature, join the freaking party. So simply, step one is you pick a niche. So what is your niche going to be? What do you want to talk about on your YouTube channel? Well, first and foremost, this is step 0, is stop being camera shy. And if you don't want your face beyond the actual cameras, because I love the camera, right? Maybe because I'm handsome or something of that nature. But if you don't want to be behind the camera, you can actually create videos, right? An example is I know people who create videos about basically ways you can lose weight, 5 steps on how you can lose 5 pounds in 5 days, and they're literally not in it. They literally just have a slideshow. Yes, your voice is going to be behind it, or I've seen people going as far as literally having a computer read out the freaking words on the slideshow. But at the end of the day, if you want to create a real brand for yourself, be the person behind the actual brand. But it's completely up to you, right? But back to the subject. So pick a niche, right? Is it health and fitness? Is it romance? Is it making money online? Is it like, it'll literally take me way too long, but the top 3 when it comes to affiliate marketing or any business in general is health, wealth, and romance. If you pick one of those are the evergreen niches. You pick one of those, you'll forever be able to monetize those because they're always going to be around, right? So what happens is you pick one of those, right? Then what you're going to do is you're simply going to start creating content around that niche. And the easiest way to create content is ask yourself the question, what problems do those people within that niche have? If it's making money, right, what are some methods that I can teach people to make money? Example, this video, right? Number two is creating content around that, right? So monetization and making money with those videos come later. We're going to talk about the first step, which is presenting yourself as an authority, right? You have to build a community of people who know, like, and trust you, and the way you do that is by consistently producing content. Now, I would commit to a set time frame that you can do it, whether it's one video per week, whether it's one video per day, whether it's one every other day. You want to be consistent because you want to be dependable. You want to make sure that you have that loyal following. Me personally, I create YouTube videos every single day. So with that being said, the following that I'm building, they can count on that video every single day, right? So you pick a niche and then you start creating content around that niche. The best videos are how-to videos, right? Teaching people how to solve their problems and within that niche, right? Whether if it's losing weight, you could give people dieting tips or anything of that nature, right? The money comes later, right? Next is once you start building that following, right? Then, and people get things mistaken, right? The people who buy from you are the people who know, like, and trust you. So your sales aren't going to come from this video that gets 90,000 views or 100,000 views. That's not going to be the video that generates a lot of sales. What's going to generate a lot of sales is when that video generates you 4,000 subscribers, and then you're consistently creating other videos, and the videos that you're creating are providing value to those loyal subscribers. And what's going to happen is those are the people who you're going to build that tribe who will know, like, and trust you because you're providing value. And you don't, here's where people make the mistake. You don't have to be an expert, right? You simply just have to provide value, which will leverage yourself as an authority. You leverage yourself as a leader, somebody people want to follow, somebody that people know, like, and trust, and then comes the monetization. Now, you have two options. You can either create your own products within that niche and monetize them, right? Selling your own products within that niche because you've created that audience, or you can go ahead and start monetizing that with affiliate products. And the easiest way is simply to go to an affiliate network or just anywhere, right? And you simply go ahead and find these affiliate offers that are going to provide value to your audience. Make sure that you can stand behind it. Because remember, you've built this audience of people who know, like, and trust you. The last thing you want to do is lose their trust, right? So make sure you can stand behind the products that you're going to be offering. And then once you build an audience behind people who know, like, and trust you, at that point in time, you're not selling. You're referring and recommending. I'm recommending that you check this out because I've already presented so much free value about things that can help you within this niche. If you want quicker results, check this out. And you simply just drop the link to your affiliate offer. And what's going to happen is they're going to go ahead and buy it, and you're going to cash out. Now, you find an offer with profit margins that are going to allow you to generate $250 a day. An example, if I'm selling 5 products with a 5 products per day, 5 sales per day at 50% commissions on a $100 product, that's $250 per day. It doesn't get as simple as that. Now, what's important is not the number of $250, it's the method. Because you can scale that to $250 a day. Yesterday I made $4,000. Not to say, hey, look at me, but just to tell you that this shit works, right? And what I recommend is high ticket products, right? Because you get $1,000 days, $2,000 days instead of these little $100 days, $200 days. I'd rather have a $4,000 day. How many 250s is in that? 250, 250, 250, so that's 4. So 6, so that's 16 days taken care of, right? $4,000 made yesterday, that's 16 days of 250, right? High ticket products. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, what I'm going to do is leave an ebook in the description. You can go to affiliatesplaybook.com or click the link in the description and you'll be able to get access to it. Or if you want to know other methods of not just YouTube, but YouTube methods, how to actually rank YouTube videos, how to create sales processes, and everything you need to know, right, step by step. I have a course below called Jumpstart Affiliate. You can go to jumpstartaffiliate.com, or you can go to the link in the description and grab access. Now, I appreciate you so freaking much. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to comment below any questions or concerns that you have, or any positive insight that you gained from this video, your biggest takeaway. And last but not least, join the family by hitting that subscribe button, so that way I can help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, right? The life that you deserve, my friend. Now, with that being said, I'm going to stop showing my face here. I'm going to enjoy my day in El Nido, Philippines. See what this beautiful place has to offer. With that being said, my friend, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.